Mars has always captivated our imagination. From ancient astronomers who gazed at its reddish glow in the night sky to modern scientists who send rovers to explore its surface, the red planet has been a source of endless fascination and mystery. It's a world of rusty red dust, towering volcanoes that rise higher than any on Earth, and canyons so vast they dwarf our own Grand Canyon. The Valles Marineris, for instance, stretches over 4,000 kilometers, a testament to the planet's dramatic geological history. But what lies hidden beneath the surface of this enigmatic planet? Could there be secrets buried in the Martian soil, waiting to be uncovered by our ever-advancing technology? For decades, scientists and dreamers alike have scanned images of Mars, searching for clues to its past. The rovers, with their high-resolution cameras and sophisticated instruments, have sent back thousands of images, each one a piece of the puzzle. Some believe they've found evidence of ancient civilizations, pointing to structures that seem to defy natural explanation. These formations, with their geometric shapes and apparent symmetry, spark the imagination and fuel speculation. Could these formations be the remnants of a lost Martian civilization? Or are they simply the result of natural geological processes, shaped by wind and erosion over millions of years? The idea of an ancient Martian city, with its streets and buildings now buried under layers of dust, is tantalizing. It speaks to our deepest desires to find life beyond Earth, to know that we are not alone in the universe. Or are these formations simply tricks of light and shadow, playing on our innate desire to find meaning in the universe? The Martian landscape, with its stark beauty and alien features, can easily lead the mind to see patterns where none exist. The debate is fierce, fueled by blurry photographs and passionate interpretations. Each new image from Mars is scrutinized, debated, and analyzed, with experts on both sides presenting their cases. On one side stand those who see evidence of grand designs, pointing to formations that eerily resemble structures found on Earth. They argue that the similarities are too striking to be mere coincidence. These proponents of the ancient civilization theory draw comparisons between Martian and Earth structures, suggesting that if such formations exist on Earth, why not on Mars? On the other side are skeptics, urging caution and advocating for scientific rigor before jumping to extraordinary conclusions. They remind us that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The truth, as is often the case, likely lies somewhere in between. As we continue to explore Mars, sending more advanced rovers and perhaps even human missions in the future, we may one day uncover the secrets of the red planet. Until then, Mars remains a tantalizing mystery, a world that continues to captivate and inspire us. One of the most compelling Martian anomalies is a formation dubbed the keyhole. This enigmatic structure has captured the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike, sparking debates and theories about its origin and purpose. This structure, captured in images taken by the Mars Global Surveyor, has been the subject of intense scrutiny. The Mars Global Surveyor, a spacecraft launched by NASA, has provided us with some of the most detailed images of the Martian surface, revealing features that are both fascinating and mysterious. The keyhole formation, in particular, resembles a giant keyhole etched into the planet's surface. Its distinct shape stands out against the rugged Martian terrain, making it a focal point for those searching for signs of past life or ancient civilizations on Mars. George J. Haas, author of The Great Architects of Mars, points to this formation as a prime example of potential Martian architecture. Haas, a well-known researcher and author, has spent years studying Martian anomalies and believes that the keyhole formation could be evidence of intelligent design. He argues that its distinct shape and size, too precise to be mere coincidence, hint at an intelligent design. According to Haas, the symmetry and precision of the keyhole formation suggests that it was created with purpose and intent, rather than being a natural geological feature. Haas draws parallels between the Martian keyhole and ancient Egyptian architecture, particularly the entrances to tombs and temples. He notes that the keyhole's design bears a striking resemblance to the architectural styles used by ancient civilizations on Earth, particularly in their monumental structures. He suggests that the keyhole could be a symbolic gateway, perhaps marking the entrance to an underground complex. This theory posits that the keyhole formation might not just be a surface feature, but could lead to hidden chambers or tunnels beneath the Martian surface. While intriguing, this interpretation remains highly speculative. The idea of an underground complex on Mars is tantalizing, but without concrete evidence, it remains in the realm of hypothesis and conjecture. Without further exploration and analysis, the true nature of the keyhole remains a tantalizing mystery. Future missions to Mars, equipped with advanced technology and tools, may one day uncover the secrets of this enigmatic formation. Until then, the keyhole continues to be a source of wonder and speculation, a doorway to the past that beckons us to explore and discover the unknown. Another intriguing formation that has captured the attention of Mars enthusiasts is the parrot geoglyph. This peculiar shape has sparked a lot of debate and curiosity among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This structure, first identified in images taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, has been the subject of numerous studies and discussions. The orbiter, which has been capturing high-resolution images of the Martian surface since 2006, has provided us with some of the most detailed views of Mars we have ever seen. The parrot geoglyph, as it has come to be known, resembles a giant parrot etched onto the Martian surface. The shape is so distinct that it has led many to wonder about its origins and significance. Its beak, head, and wing are strikingly clear, making it one of the most recognizable formations on Mars. The precision of these features has led to various theories about how such a formation could have come to be. Some speculate that it could be an ancient geoglyph, similar to the Nazca lines in Peru. The Nazca lines are a series of large ancient geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert in southern Peru, and are believed to have been created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. Haas, a proponent of the ancient civilization theory, argues that the parrot geoglyph is too precise to be a natural formation. He believes that the level of detail and the specific features of the geoglyph suggest that it was created intentionally. He suggests that it was created by an advanced Martian civilization, perhaps as a form of art or religious expression. This theory, while controversial, has gained a following among those who believe that Mars may have once harbored intelligent life. However, skeptics argue that the parrot geoglyph is simply a case of pareidolia, the human tendency to perceive meaningful patterns in random or vague stimuli. Pareidolia is a psychological phenomenon where people see familiar shapes in clouds, rock formations, or even burnt toast. This phenomenon is not uncommon and can explain why we see faces or animals in inanimate objects. On Mars, with its rugged and varied terrain, it's easy for the human mind to pick out shapes that resemble familiar objects. Despite the skepticism, the parrot geoglyph remains a fascinating feature of the Martian landscape. Whether it is a natural formation or the work of an ancient civilization, it continues to capture the imagination of those who study the red planet. As we continue to explore Mars and uncover more of its secrets, formations like the parrot geoglyph remind us of the mysteries that still await us on this distant world. The quest to understand Mars and its history is ongoing, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the planet's many enigmas. Perhaps the most famous Martian anomalies are the Sagan pyramids, named after the renowned astronomer Carl Sagan. These structures, located in the Cydonia region of Mars, are a series of pyramid-shaped formations that some believe are evidence of an ancient Martian civilization. Haas, in his book, argues that the Sagan pyramids are too geometrically precise to be natural formations. He points to their triangular shape and alignment with other Martian features as evidence of intelligent design. He even suggests that the pyramids could be aligned with the stars, similar to the pyramids of Giza on Earth. However, Carl Sagan himself remained skeptical of these claims, urging caution and emphasizing the need for extraordinary evidence to support extraordinary claims. Adding to the intrigue surrounding potential Martian structures is the Martian Atlantis Complex, a series of grid-like formations that some believe are the remnants of an ancient city. These formations, located in the Elysium Planitia region of Mars, resemble eroded city walls and streets, fueling speculation about a lost Martian civilization. Proponents of the ancient civilization theory point to the grid-like pattern of the Martian Atlantis Complex as evidence of intelligent design. They draw parallels between these formations and ancient cities on Earth, such as Mohenjo-Daro in Pakistan and Teotihuacan in Mexico. However, skeptics argue that the Martian Atlantis Complex is likely a natural formation, perhaps